You know, it's tempting, but I'd imagine it would get caught up in those trees. Things are looking a little bit better over this way. And out this way, I know it would just end up on top of that little roof section there. Gundam.tk presents Master Grade Marasai with not a bad landing. Gundam.tk presents Master Grade Marasai. Now look, you can't just call a shopping bag taped onto the side of the box a parachute. Although, Bandai would probably charge separately and you could buy it as part of the Balut system. And it would be more effective than Kakrakon's.